A chilling gust of smoke, a furious blaze, and a home reduced to ashes, all because of a dirty dryer. This isn't a Hollywood horror flick, but a horrifying reality that can strike anyone, anywhere. Let me tell you about Joe, a hard-working man living in a quaint town. Joe lived in a beautiful house that he built with his own two hands. He was a man who believed in the beauty of his labor and the sanctity of his home. One day, Joe noticed his clothes took longer than usual to dry. He shrugged it off, thinking it was a minor technical glitch. The days went by. Little did he know a silent catastrophe was brewing right under his nose. One chilly winter evening, Joe loaded his dryer with a fresh batch of laundry, turned it on, and settled in his armchair, engrossed in his favorite book. Suddenly, he smelled smoke. He looked around, but it wasn't his fireplace. It was his dryer. In a matter of seconds, his home was filled with smoke. Joe managed to escape, but his beloved house was lost to the flames. What caused this disaster? The culprit was none other than a dirty dryer. Unbeknownst to Joe, lint had been accumulating inside his dryer and exhaust vent. Over time, it blocked the vent, causing heat to build up, which eventually led to the fire. This chilling tale of Joe is not an isolated incident. It's a stark reminder of the dangers lurking in our homes. A dirty dryer can turn from a simple household appliance into a deadly fire hazard. Maintenance isn't just about keeping your appliances running smoothly. It's about ensuring the safety of your home and loved ones. A regular cleanup of your dryer vent can prevent a disaster like Joe's, and a call to the technician. It's not just about saving a few dollars on your energy bill, it's about saving your home, your sanctuary. Remember, a clean dryer isn't just an efficient one, it's a safe one. Don't let a dirty dryer turn your dream home into a nightmare. So take a moment, check your dryer, and ensure your peace of mind. Because the cost of negligence is far too high and the danger far too real.